So if you haven't seen a cable cast on before, you tie a slip knot, stick your needle into the slip knot, and then you knit one stitch like you would normally knit, but instead of pulling this loop off the left hand side, you take this loop on the right hand needle and pop it over the top. And then before you pull this tight, stick your right hand needle in between the 2 stitches that you just made, knit again, pull it through, and then do that again. And then you keep doing that, sticking your needle in between the top 2 stitches on the left hand needle. I find it a lot easier to do this by sticking the needle in the top before you pull this tight, because if you pull it tight already, it can be a bit harder to get it in there. So stick it in, loop it around like you're going to knit, pull the loop through, and pop it on top.